Hey there, homesteaders! Did you know that you can make your own flour and fresh hearty bread from something called wheat berries? Rather than store processed food, we prefer to store ingredients and be able to make the food fresh.
That's pretty cool.
We'll show you how it works.
Do it one more time.
She grabs a scoop of wheat berries and pours it into the grinder, and out comes fresh, whole grain flour. So wheat berries are just the harvested fruit from grain, and they store really, really well. They were used in ancient times and can be stored for years to provide for famine.
It's like actual flour.
Alright. It's from wheat berries.
Mm-hmm.
What kind of wheat berries?
The soft white wheat berries.
Soft white wheat.
Yeah.
Let's see what's good to make from those.
Well, tomorrow I wanted to make breadsticks. So we'll see who's gonna make pizza dough. Tonight, I'm not sure. Maybe I'll make biscuits or something. Can I try? I don't know how far this goes.
There are all kinds of grinders out there. We like this one because it's automated, but we also have a hand crank one as well. When you're grinding, it's about a 1-to-1 ratio. So 1 cup of wheat berries gives you about 1 cup of flour.
Our hamburger buns for tonight.
Nice buns, baby. They look delicious.
We plan to grow our own wheat, but it'll be some time before we have our own wheat fields. Until then, we'll just buy wheat berries. Happy homesteading, and we'll see you on the next one.